Take another look at the polar cyclones in microwave light. These two storms at the 4 and 6 o'clock positions were about the same size as the other nearby cyclones in visible light, but they show more intense microwave signatures than the other storms, which indicates that these extend at least 100 kilometers beneath the top of the clouds that we see. Also intriguing is that the central cyclone is clear in both the visible and infrared images, but in the microwave light, the cyclone all but disappears. This indicates that the central cyclone's subsurface structure may be very different from the surrounding storms,